Hello little learners, let's play fruit and vegetable game. How to play? Look at the picture and shout out the name of the yummy fruit or healthy vegetable. Are you ready? Question number 1. The name of this vegetable is? The answer is eggplant or brinjal. Question number 2. Guess the name of this fruit. The answer is banana. Question number 3. Guess the fruit. The answer is coconut. Question number 4. What is this red fruit? The answer is apple. Question number 5. What is this crunchy, orange vegetables? The answer is carrot. Question number 6. What is the small, round, purple fruit that grows in bunches? The answer is grapes. Question number 7. What is this green, tree-shaped vegetable? The answer is broccoli. Question number 8. What is this red, round vegetable that goes on a pizza? The answer is tomato. Question number 9. What is this yellow fruit with a funny curved shape? The answer is lemon. Question number 10. What is this green, bumpy vegetable we eat raw? The answer is cucumber. You did so great. Give yourself a big clap. That's all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun learning games. Thank you.